Welcome to Module AR, where R is for relationships. What we're doing in this module is setting out for an adaptation what relationships it has to the key production constraints and climate hazards. If we go back to our A- module, what we were looking at here is setting out that we wanted to solve for these up to 20 key priority adaptation needs. In module AR, we're simply telling the tool that an adaptation has a relationship with those production constraints and climate hazards. It's simply a yes or no. If it's indirect, then you would still put yes. Most of the time you're going to say no, and there's very few adaptations that will be useful across these production constraints and climate hazards because each production constraint or climate hazard is related to a season, a crop, and a challenge. So for instance, in this case, a BT40, we can see that that's a wheat variety. It's only going to apply to the wheat adaptations. Same with irrigation, might only apply to a particular dry season, or residue retention might only apply to a certain crop that has a high stubble load. So here in module AR, we are setting out the relationships between the adaptations and the priority hazards and constraints that we'd like to solve for.